within my confines, within my framework, and that is exactly this is the definition of career pivot. You can shift to a new but a related direction so that it is intentional. Pivoting is an intentional methodological process for nimbling navigating career changes. Exactly, this is the role of a development. This sentence I like very much. This is our role. We have to navigate the career change for our agents who are mediocre right now. If my agent is MDRT, I have to plan some ideas to make him COT. If he's a COT, I have to plan some career changes for him so that he can become TOT. Ultimately, who I am, who I am. I'm a developer. I'm leader of the team. So it is my role to give direction. Okay. So uh, uh, as you start to plan a pivot of your own, keep that word in mind: intentional. You have to do every action with intention. You cannot do aram se, let the nature takes its way. No, you have to intentionally, deliberately work for change. And that word, intention, is the most important word that I would like to share with you. See, you have to go for this word, intention, and unless and until you do something intentionally, I tell you, my friends, you cannot change. Any change has to be intentional. Any change has to be intentional, and unless and until you do intentional changes in your life, you cannot change yourself. So, my friends, I go ahead now. See, if you are writing down, you can definitely write down these things. These are the changes which can help you. So, friends, I will just go here, and the slide which I'm going to share with you, the most beautiful part of it is I'm just going to share with you right now. This slide is going to give you a real sales strategy for you to go ahead. Okay. So I tell you, friends, remember, mark my word, in this world, two industries can never die down. One is the farming and one is the finance. These two industries are the important thing for the survival of human being. Farming is something which has to be there. If there is no farming, there is nothing like this. You cannot survive. So farmers and farming will be the most primary industry in India. And second is finance. We need finance for our health. We need finance for our well-being. We need finance for our hospitalization. We need finance for our upgradation of life. So changes are required. So now coming the role of a developer. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Beautiful word. Abraham Lincoln said that the best way to predict future is to create it. And friends, who are we? We are creators. Are we not? Are we not creators? We are. And this sentence, if you all must write down and below your tabletop glass, you keep it. The best way to predict the future is to create it. And the creator is you as a development officer. You are the creator. You only can create your life. You can create your team. Many a time I have heard so many stories of development officer. They have derived a pleasure by creating a career of certain agents who were not doing anything in their life. And they made him the most successful MDRT TOT agents. Okay, sir? So, going forward, this is the agenda. What is pivoting? Why to pivot? When to pivot? How to pivot? And the sales strategy. These only 4 slides are there. And then we will go back to our LIC matter. Pivoting means shifting to a new strategy. Friends, this is what basically new strategy is what you have to do. Businesses are faced with challenges all the time. Like we We had a lot of challenges in our future, our life. Once upon a time, there was a peerless. Then came postal Kisan Vikas Patra. Then came in 1999 private insurance competition. Then now so many plan closures came. We have come out successfully all through these things. And now this COVID is something which we never. And I tell you, COVID-19 crisis is presenting an opportunity to introspect, assess, and redesign our sales strategy. It, you have to think. See, basically, what is the role of a development officer? We are thinker unless and until we redesign our strategy, we have to find out something new. See, I tell you, one development officer in North India has made a, mask, where he has put a small logo on the side corner of the mask and he's distributing free. Each mask is costing 10 rupees. He has prepared some 1,000, 2,000 masks and he's distributing to his policyholder. He's not distributing to everybody. It's a small town, around 20-kilometer radius. So he went to all the agents' house and gave 100 packages, and he told that give it to your policyholders. Give it to your policyholders. Huh? So he said, and that has affected a big way. All the rich customers were happy. See, whether they use or they don't use it, but they were touched by his gesture. He redesigned his strategy. He thought, see, we all should do it. I'm telling you, this is the good opportunity we all have got to introspect, assess, and redesign your future. See, in routine time, we never had time. Even for our family, also we never had time. Many a time, some marriages we used to miss. Many a time we used to just simply ignore some of our health problem also. Many development officer, though LIC is giving our yearly checkup for 40 years and plus people, it is a sad thing to report to you that only 20% development officer in India who are eligible are going for that yearly checkup or a checkup once in 2 years. And that is what it shows how casual we are. We are not that serious about our thing. So, sir, I tell you, you have to succeed. And you succeed, you have to achieve it by swiftness, flexibility of your strategy. You cannot simply say by you just go on selling, 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 selling. No, you have to change the system. So what to do? Coming, even our customers' behavior is also changing. Even without crisis of COVID, our customers' behavior was changing. Earlier, the first preference was given to endowment policy. Now people tend to go towards term insurance. In between, people were liking ULIP plans. Now suddenly, single premium plans and term plan are again into a lot of hot thing. People, customer change. The market trend keeps on changing. Now health plans, cancer cover. Suddenly they are in a lot of demand because so when they heard the news of Irfan Khan or Rishi Kapoor or some top person dying due to cancer, suddenly it creates a market trend, that they start thinking about what can happen to us when we have that kind of cancer. So you have to keep the market trend into consideration and change your behavior. Competition. I will tell you, competitions was there before COVID. After COVID, I'm telling you, there won't be any competition. Lot of advertisement used to come on mutual fund. Every Tom, Dick and Harry, any small agent who are not knowing about anything mutual fund, a small policyholder not knowing anything about mutual fund, they used to tell, "Arey sir, we are getting wonderful letter from mutual fund. What you people are giving?" They all forgot that what we are giving, nobody in the world can give. At that time, that agent was also a helpless, speechless, because he was not trained properly to reply this kind of objections. People used to say, I'm putting mutual fund, I'm betting 10%, 11%, 12%. A lot of argument they used to come. But now the time is not a single TV advertisement you will see of any mutual fund. We rightly started an advertisement सबसे पहले life insurance. So that advertisement started around 3 to 4 months earlier. We started that advertisement, and that advertisement still going on. But that mutual fund advertisement, all the mutual funds have vanished. Even Franklin Templeton, that competition, uh, basically, I tell you, nothing has gone wrong with Franklin Templeton. Only thing they had purchased certain security. They are still good, but now nobody wants to buy it. It is like, say, I purchase a house, a beautiful house, costing 2 crore, and suddenly government say it is in coastal zone, and nobody is going to buy it. House is costing 2 crore, it is decorated, everything is there. But now because of the government notice that it has been constructed illegally in a coastal zone, you cannot regularize it. Suddenly that value becomes zero. It has become like that. So competition will always remain there. But my dear friends, you must remember the biggest strength of LIC is you have to tell your agent that the reliability, the faith, and the government support to LIC is unmatched. Nobody can do it. See why people have deposited money in State Bank of India? Why they have not gone to any other private bank? Because of the recent scams happened in so many banking industry, people have lost little faith in some private banks, and they have found the government banks reliable and trustworthy. Exactly, LIC is at that position and better position than any other insurance company right now in India. It was even earlier also, now also, in future also. LIC is irrepressible. Nobody can change LIC's position. We will remain the best, and we are going to remain best. I tell you, and that is what you have to tell your people. What is happening? We teach them Umang, we teach them Lakshya, we teach them proposal for how to feel, we teach them how to do medical, but we never tell who my father is. My father is LIC. It is a grandfather of the financial world. You must tell your agent what LIC is, what LIC does, and in turn, your agent also should go to tell a client that you are going to be associated with one of the world's safest and largest insurance company in India. Your money is 110% safe, guaranteed, and that is what LIC is. And I tell you, I have made a habit with I have made a Telegram group of my agents. It is compulsory. Those agents who wants to become my agent has to have a Telegram app. On Telegram app, I have uploaded the LIC annual report. Many agents ask, "Where, sir, who want this annual report?" Then I conducted a meeting and I told them what is the value of annual report. So when they went to a HNI customer, they started asking what LIC and all that. Immediately he opened his Telegram. He told, "This is my LIC's strength. This is what amount is." And client was shocked to see the figure. And the sale was very easy for him to carry on ahead. So whatever good news about LIC is there, whatever strength of LIC is there, I always make it a point to post it on my agent's Telegram group. Why Telegram? WhatsApp is good. It's popular, but it's not reliable. The moment I change my mobile, and if there is no backup I have taken in cloud, whatever messages are there, they will never come back. But in Telegram, I can change 100 mobile phone. I can go on any desktop. Whatever is there is always safe, because the only difference between WhatsApp and Telegram is WhatsApp doesn't use the cloud storage. Telegram uses cloud storage. So whatever you upload is stored in their cloud server, and whenever you want to access it, you can access it. See what my agents have got. So competitions are tough, sir. You have to make your agent change. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Change. This is what you have to see. See, your agent team is always playing catch up. We are trying to catch up our targets. DOT, club membership, quota. We just whatever you are doing it fair enough. We appreciate him. No, our agents team has hit a plateau. Now we are not growing. We are there only. We are there only. If the market trend and customer behavior changes, we never understand why it is changing. So only one thing gets most traction. There is a limited response from your prospect because market is changing, but you are not changing. You are still same style of selling, same style of telling. So the prospect doesn't give you that response. He is not interested to your product selling. No. So your team's vision or business goals have in hand. This is basically you have to change now. And that is exactly right now it is happening. We have not developed any vision. Our goals are hanged. Customers are not going to give response. And exactly the trends are changing and we are not keeping up with the change. So now go ahead. It is in one page I am trying to summarize this. The sales strategy. That is the current stage. You are following certain things which were taught to you when you joined as a development officer. For some, it worked very well. So you thought whatever is being done is very nice. That is your current state. But now, immediately when COVID-19 came, we are in that stage responding to change, resilience, and redirecting. These are the two important speculation, optimization, and spectism. See, there are many people speculate what will happen, what will happen. Some are very optimistic. They say market is 100% good, we will come. Some are spectacle. They are critic. Some people are, you do whatever good, they will always criticize you. See, I tell you, in this world, you cannot keep everybody happy all the time. Even your wife also, you cannot keep her every day happy. Some days she will criticize you, someday your son will criticize you. So this is a part of it. Some people have that nature. Howsoever good you speak, howsoever good you give input, ultimately end of the day say, what was the answer? Nothing much he said. No, because he don't want to change. He don't want to change. So these are the spectacle people. They're fan-sitters. They doesn't want to change. Coming back, you have to accept. You have to realize that after COVID, life is going to change. So you have to strategize what is next. And you have to respond to change. You have to make new strategies. You have to implement new strategies. And thereafter, you have to do continuous improvement to get the sustainable growth. Exactly, these are the steps I would like to just wanted to share with you. This is what, as a development officer, I would like to tell you. You understand this. It is very easy to say, criticize our people, but when really they go into market, they require a lot of encouragement, a lot of planning. And this slide summarize all what we are required to do in coming times after COVID-19. See, you cannot expect your agent now to go that frequently to policyholder. You cannot expect him to meet the customer. Even the customer will also not allow you to come in his house very frequently. So you have to find out a way. Say, my one agent has started doing it. He has got iPhone. Customer also had iPhone. He started FaceTime meeting. And on FaceTime, he canvassed that policyholder. After a certain time, the policyholder wanted to ask some question. He called me, sir, what to do? Let's arrange a Zoom meeting. See, we can have a free 40-minute meeting. We can talk with him. Correct. So he, me, and the policyholder and a CA, all were on Zoom. I'm talking about just 3 days back. The client was sitting in his house. CA was 20 kilometers away from in his house. I was in Goregaon in my house, and my agent was in Mira Road in his house. We were practically everyone was 20 kilometers away. But because of Zoom, the technology, we could successfully canvassing for 50 lakhs Jeevan Umang. Now we are just waiting for some LIC changes. What I heard our chairman sir was telling some video medical are going to be implemented or something, some changes for online business booking is going to come. That is what I could understand from his speech. If that comes, this business can be booked anytime. So you have to change, adapt, change. Okay, coming back. Why should we put? So what is happening? Financial changes, changing priorities. Right now, what is my priority? To look after my family's finance. I'm not worried about what will happen to my medical claim. what will happen to my policies, what will happen to my car. I'm more worried. I'm not as a LIC development officer, as a policy holder, as a businessman, I'm more worried about my future. So my priorities are changing. I'm sitting on my cash. I don't want to give. Why? Because of uncertainty. How much time it will take for the industry to start working smoothly. There will be job losses. You all must have got news from your agents that many of the policyholder wants to stop the NACH connection, NACH deduction. The reason is their salary is going to bank. We had the NACH system. So now they don't want to pay premium. They say, right now we are finding so much difficulty. At the moment, we don't want to pay premium in time because I have lost the job and there is a cash crunch. These are the things where we have to work a new way. What is a new way? The online sales. You can start online sales, like I told you, Zoom meeting with your policyholders, Zoom meeting with your agents, and India, internet is exploded like a big way. Everybody has got a good connection of the 4G. Everybody in most of the part of the country are having access to 4G connection. So you must encourage this opportunity of internet explosion to find out business opportunity. Right now also, you must conduct Zoom meetings with your agents. Second point, you encourage your agents to go for online payment like a own portal. Many agents have got own portal connected. Then Bharat Bill Pay is there, Beam UPI is there, Paytm is there, PhonePe is there, our own LIC portal is there. So you educate your policyholder in this lockdown period and try to see that your renewal commission of your agent comes in. The other day, MD was telling that in routine time, we collected 15,000 crore renewal premium. But in this April, we could collect 10,000 crore. Mind well, sir, when no transportation was allowed, no branches were functioning full-fledged, still LIC collected 10,000 crore renewal premium. And that is something great. I tell you, 10,000 crore into 5%. You see, that much money has come to our agents' pocket. You have to encourage your agents to go for online payment. We should find out some new ways. Example I tell you, Umang. It's one feature of Umang product, but now product Umang itself has become a very brand in itself. Everybody say Umang, Umang. It was a product earlier. Now that it has become a very simple product, everybody wants to have Umang for their life security. Jeevan Lakshya. Jeevan Lakshya, it was just a simple plain product. Now suddenly we found a beautiful feature, like a large suite of features which are part of other product here also. That you pay premium, you dies, you get money back, again you get money back. So you have to focus on different set of customers by positioning LIC products into a new market. This is what we are supposed to do. How to pivot? Do it as soon as you can. Start planning now. You know your strength. You know your team. Plan immediately. Your strategy should be suitable with the shift in the market. Set the new goals which align with your vision. See, everybody has a vision. I want to earn 10 lakh rupees. A PDO has a vision to earn confirmation. So everyone has a vision. So you make a new goal. Build on top. See, what has worked. You see what are the strategies which have worked. Find out and make sure that your pivot presents opportunity for growth. Unless and until you grow, very difficult. What to pivot? You make a new sales strategy, make customer journey successful, and customer retention. This is the most crucial point I would like to tell you. Customer retention. Now, sales strategy, I leave it to you. How? You know your local strength, you know your local market. Accordingly, you find out what can be the best sales strategy, say in Mumbai area or in corporate world. I give you example that people feel that pension is a need of the hour. So in big towns, big cities, Umang has taken up in a big way. Small places, even Anand is also doing well in most of the part of India. So Anand, Umang, Lakshya, you make a strategy on that and focus on the strategy and try to see that you get maximum sale. Even I tell you, one of my agent has planned about Jeevan Shiromani. He told me, sir, see in this situation, COVID-19 situation, there are certain people who are amply flush with money. They have got a lot of money. They don't worry. What I did, in these last 10, 15 days, I started calling up my policy holders who are paying premium more than 50,000. No doubt, I have a data with me. I use software of Datacom, Video Magic, and Duo Magic also. I have both the software of Datacom. I generated reports. The policy holder who are paying more than 50,000 premium. And I got a mobile number from the agents concerned, and I started calling up, wishing them. And you won't believe, out of the calls I made, 70% people were more than eager to buy another policy as soon as the COVID-19 is over. They asked me, "Okay, when are you going to start booking business?" We are open right now also. We are right now also open. So the best thing for you is to contact all your HNI customers. For me, anybody paying more than 50,000 premium is HNI. I called them up every day. What you can do? I was in the initial lockdown period. You can see movies and all that. I got fed up after 15 days. You know what you do? So then you started cleaning up your house. That is also over. Now what to do? The best part is that I started for last 15 days calling my HNI customer. You can do it. Every day, call 3, 4 customers. Talk with them. There are many good customers. They would like to come on Zoom. I asked them, sir, can we talk on Zoom? I can share some files with you. So they were also free. See, what I to understand? Like you are locked up in your home. They are also locked up in home. So in fact, they were happy. So I started showing my slides of why insurance, what is Umang, what is the benefit of Umang. I generated report of Datacom on Umang. I uploaded the file to them, and that is how they they form very good. And whether it is not doing worth, it is worth doing this exercise. I tell you, friends, you also can do this very well. And as soon as the lockdown is going to be over in Mumbai, I'm very comfortable now. My agents are also happy. They are so positive in their mindset now. After I talk with their big customer, see, middle class people right now, they are difficult because they have got a lot of crash crunch. Private sector people, they have got a lot of problem. No salary, no job. So ultimately, for me also, I have to survive. No? I have cost. I have to maintain my cost below at least 16%. Okay. Luckily, Federation has brought in a relief that for 1 year, it is like, the movie Ghazni was there, he forgets everything, what has happened. This 1 year will be forgotten by LIC for any penalty. And no penalty for this whole 12 months. Everybody will be pardoned for any cost. But still, next year I have to work. And that cost I have to maintain my team also. And that's why I have prepared a market right now by talking with HNI customer. You can start calling anybody having 25,000 premium above. You can do it. Start doing it. Because an agent speaking with the client and a development officer speaking with the client makes a lot of difference. He feel honored. And as I told you, he is totally free. Right now, he has got no other business. Who? Your policy holder. They are ready to listen to you. I give you an example. I have a client, very, very rich customer. In routine time, even if I call his office, they will say, sir is busy, he will call you. He may call after 2, 3 hours. But the other day when I called him, he was not ready to leave the phone. Then ultimately, sir, I told him, sir, I have to go for my dinner. We are speaking for the last 1.5 hours, sir. Sir, sorry. He is free. And if is this period, if you cannot use talking with your HNI customer, how you will retain the customer? Now you tell me customer's journey. So I'm going with him. I'm with him right now. I'm taking the same journey, what he is doing it. I am trying to make customer successful. How? Many customer had financial difficulty. I told him, sir, there is a loan possibility in your policy. Don't worry. If your business needs money, I can generate money for you within 1 or 2 days. I can raise loan on LIC policies. So many customers were happy. I will see that you successfully get some finance from LIC on your existing policy of family holder. And customer retention. When I talk with him, he feels good. And today, he has got no one to talk. See, he will not call his employee. The moment he calls his employee, employee may ask money. So he will not call his employees. He will not call our supplier. Because if you call a supplier, supplier will ask money. Now, if you call somebody from whom he has to take money, he will not receive phone because he knows that phone has come for recovery of the money. So the person who has to pay will not pick up the phone. So he will pick up your phone. And this is the right time. You must talk with your policy holder, and that is how you can go. See, this is what exactly I'm trying to do. Continuous improvement. Your sales vision, your target, and your goals should continuously be improved. You cannot have same vision, same target, same goal throughout your life. See, when I joined as a development officer, I never dreamt that I will have such a nice house. I never thought that I will have so and so proper. Everything, but whatever I had, I never had that. I was only having vision that I must have 25 agents. I will earn confirmation, and whatever salary I am getting, equal to IB if I get, I'm happy. That was my initial target. So my initial salary was total 22,000, and I earned first year IB was 32,000. I was mad. The whole year I worked, I got 23,000 salary, and I at the end of the appraisal, I got 3 lakh plus amount, 30 lakhs plus amount, 30,000 and see now lakhs are only coming in my. So even when I got 30,000, I was very happy. But the same target I cannot have now. My targets will change, my vision has changed, my goals of life will change. So you have to keep on changing. Now come the second thing. How to achieve this? Your teamwork and collaboration. Here some of you may find little hard, some of may comment later on, but I tell you, our teamwork is little poor. This is my statement. Some of you may feel 100% bad about it, but I tell you, our teamwork is not good. Somewhere we are lagging in team building exercise. Somewhere, say, I don't say all my team members will appreciate me. Out of my 100 team members, even if 70 people likes me, good enough. But the problem with me right now, that there is no cohesion between my team members and me. Somewhere I have put on a higher pedestal. I am your officer. I am a development officer. Do as I say. I give a small example. My son is now 30-year-old. When he was young, he was in school, 7th, 8th, 9th. I used to scold him openly, anywhere. Now, I used to even sometimes put a slap also. But can I do same thing now? He has grown up, 30-year-old man he is. He has got achievement in his life. He is doing something in his life. I cannot speak in the same tone in which I used to speak with him when he was 20-year-old. I cannot speak in the same tone he was 10-year-old. I cannot speak in the same tone when he was 1-year-old. I kept on changing my strategies to talk with my son as he grew. And exactly you got my meaning. You have to understand that he is my child. If my child, I keep on changing it, then you have to adopt the same strategy to your team building also. You have to keep on changing your way of team building exercise. Somebody was just a 12 policy old person. Today he becomes a DM club member. Then he becomes a CM club member. Naturally, recognition is required. Everybody likes recognition. Everybody likes pampering. Everybody likes some appreciation. And what is our job? Our job is to appreciate, to encourage, and somewhere sadly, we were less expressive in appreciating efforts of the people with the fear that if I appreciate, he will jump on me. No, sir. You have to make your team die for you. That should be the real teamwork. Going back, next step, many people, they don't retrospect, they don't learn lessons, and they don't review the strategies. They stick to the same thing. They never think what has gone wrong. They never learn lesson from the wrong things, and they continue in the same thing. So that is not good. So what you should do, you should do periodic review of your strategies, periodic review of your activities. You should do. You should train your team yourself first. I'm telling you, because we all are development office today. I can take the liberty to say that on Sampak Group, whatever questions are asked, at least 60% questions can never be expected from a development officer. If we at least read once in a week the circulars of LIC. So first, my request, train yourself. Don't send your agent anywhere else. You train yourself, retain, and your agents should be improved by you only. Train them because you are the janak of your team. You are the captain of your team. You yourself should be trained, retrained whenever required. Improvement is required. You must do it, and then I tell you, you are going to get higher success rate. And this is what I would suggest all of you to follow in your professional life. Okay, so friends, this is what just I wanted to share with you, pivoting your career. And my tomorrow session, it's on YouTube live, but I don't think you won't be able to enjoy it because it is purely in Hindi. But those who can understand Hindi can certainly come tomorrow for this consultative sales. Is a new theory which I am just going to share with you all on tomorrow. And again, Bharat and Damodaran and Datacom are going to help me out because they are going to live stream my lecture through Zoom on YouTube. And I'm going to be taking help of Ajay Arora also. Their software has really helped me. If you are not using it, it's right time you start using it. Okay. So friends, so this is my tomorrow's session that I'm going to take on consultative. This is arranged by National Federation Western Zone, and with the blessings of all India, I'm going to do it you tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay. So friends, we start. We go back to our original slides again, and that you will enjoy what I just wanted to share with you. Now we will go very nicely, smoothly. We will just, as I told, few team managers work in organized, unorganized way. Naturally, when I don't have a planning, I don't have any set timing. So I just work few times in a year, somewhere in March. Many people this year they wanted to work in March. They ignored the closing. It happened in November. Then they realized that November was a very good business, so they woke up in January. They could do little business, and people were hoping about March, and suddenly COVID came, and the whole planning has gone. So this is what basically I'm telling you. The result also will be inconsistent. If you don't work in an organized way, your results are also going to be inconsistent. This is what I just wanted to tell you. So sometime it will work. Hey, I'm sure I'm coming every day to office. My agents are coming. I'm doing good. I'm below 10% cost. Fair enough. Most of the people are mediocre. They are happy with that work. But really, if you want to grow in my life, and I tell you, there's a lot of potential in life insurance industry. And as a development officer, there's a lot of money right now also available. Only thing you have to change yourself. So come in, become systematic. And if you become systematic way, it will lead to systematic and desired results. Then let us come to reality. Whatever I was doing it, whether it is good enough, the change situation, whether it will pull me out, ask this question to yourself. Whatever I was doing till today, if I continue to do the same thing in future, whether it will pull me out successfully in future. Get the answer. I am who I am to answer you. It is for you. Stage one. Ask ourselves, what is my purpose? What is my purpose of life? First question. Ask yourself. You will get answer. Once you decide what is your purpose of life, then you value our job profile. You start working about job profile of development officer. Start knowing the benefit of the development officer job. Start knowing the shortcoming of our job. Okay. Most of the business fail not because of market condition, because of the inexperienced marketing team and the business owner himself. This is what I've seen in my life. That business don't fail. Business never fail. It is failed by the people who run it. It is failed by the salesmen who market it. And that's exactly what is happening with us also. We are also a businessman in a sense, you know. I am an independent business entrepreneur. Because of my inexperience, I failed. Business LSC, you see, one development officer is doing 18 crore premium non-single. One development officer is doing 10 crore non-single premium. There are so many development officers in India who have done last year in their appraisal more than 10 crore premium. There are so many development officers who are still doing 3 crore premium in their appraisal. Then, and there are at the end of the spectrum, there are development officers who are doing 10 lakh premium, 8 lakh premium, 5 lakh premium. So, do you think that market condition is bad? No. It is the business owner who has failed. It is not the market failed. Market conditions are the same for everybody, but the failure is because of the business owner and his marketing team. Stage two. Are we happy? Ask this question to you also. Are we happy? Certainly, I get the answer. Except bearing few, we will get answer. No, we are not happy. You will realize that things may not be working out the way you wanted. This is the question you ask yourself. You have to be very clear and precise in your action as to what will make difference in your search of the desired result. If you are not happy, you have to change. You have to change. This is what I would like to suggest to you. And I tell you, this is my own creation. These slides are not a copy. These are my own thoughts which I would design for you people. Otherwise, the things may become worse than whatever is right now before. You know, it is going to be more worse than what is happening. Stage three, ask yourself, why I am not getting the desired result? This is the important question you should ask. Immediately answer will come. What need to be done, which is not done so far? Second question you ask, what I should have done, which I have not done so far? Do it. Find out what is required of me to change my job profile and from where to get. Fourth, create a solid plan. Create a solid plan to change your desired result for you and your team. List out what are the inputs you need to change, like communication skill, knowledge, everything, rules, regulation, whatever you require in LIC or in finance or calculation, software running, whatever, and make friends who are passionate and successful people. You should make friendship with the people who are successful in your life, successful in your field of interest, and you will learn so many things from them. They may not share with you initially, but if you stick around with them, try to make the friendship slowly, slowly. See what happened? Nowadays what is happening? So many Zoom meetings are going on. So many meetings are going on. And what the question they ask, sir, can you tell me how do you recruit agent? What a question you are asking. Somebody asks, sir, can you tell me how your agents are bringing big proposal? Now, do you think he will give a real answer, a truthful answer? No, sir. Nobody in the first opening will give you his secret, because basically people don't have secret. They have different modalities of work, and they will not share you immediately unless and until you make friendship. Sir, your team is so good. How do you train them? Now you do think that in 2 minutes you reply to you. The questions we ask is so much naive, you know, that you don't expect any answer, real answer from anybody. You see any web seminar right now going on, the amount of question they ask, I always wonder, how can a person give you answer in 2 minutes? How do you develop your team? How do you train your agents? How will agents bring big business? Do you think this is a question which I can reply in 2 minutes? So you should make friendship with successful people. They will help you. And the best thing I can do, according to my judgment of 35 years, like our Prime Minister said, Atma Samman, Atmanirbhar, self-reliance. Develop the qualities yourself. Read, read, attend trainings. Don't make your agent attend training. You train yourself first. Self-reliance. Develop your own skills. And that is the most important aspect we forget. Constantly motivate yourself to perform better. Your team will automatically do better. See now, in a cricket match, every time the captain goes into field, he goes out in 5 or 10 runs, 15 runs, and he tells his all teammates, you score 100, 200. One day our teammate will say, Arey Baba, you are not scoring more than 50, and you want me to score 100 and 200 all the time. Actually, that happens. You keep yourself motivated, perform better, your team automatically will do better. People focus on team improvement and ignore self-development. You always try to make your agent, you change. But who will change you? You also must self-develop. Seek support of experts of the field for your skill development, and in turn, you enhance your team skills. Once in a while, you can call people, once in a while in a 12 month period, 1 or 2 months, you can call somebody, but at least 10 meetings you should yourself conduct. You cannot conduct anybody else. You should not depend on anybody else to support you. And always regularly monitor and analyze your own activities and your team activities. Stage 7, understand your team member and hold them. See, agents are part-timers. They are not that involved with LIC. So you have to catch them, handhold them, take them with you so that provide them solution. Any problem he has, say canvassing problem or a customer doesn't agree, business is not coming, you must go with him and try to provide a solution so that he comes out of the negative and explain in the current situation. Right now, your role as a development officer is very important. You have to give a very correct information, current situation. You have to explain your agent, keep them motivated, impart more frequent inputs nowadays because they all are, see, in English they say, empty mind is devil's workshop. Now they are all empty. They don't have any work. So they will find out different ideas to work. So you provide frequent input so that they remain with us. Provide them psychological support. Plan activities after lockdown. See, I'm conducting a Zoom meeting with my agents every 4 5 days, and I talk what we will do after lockdown, how we'll go ahead. No, keep them engaged. Have you ever seen that army, our Indian army, or any army for that matter? Whether army fights every day? No. Question is no. Last fight we had Kargil. But still today, every day morning, 5 o'clock, all the soldiers are gathered in a ground. They go for a parade. They go for exercise. They go for their routine, whatever to be done. From 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock, they are in the field. 7 o'clock, they come back. They take a breakfast. They take a rest. Again, 10 o'clock, they are called into field with some armory training. Why? Because you must keep your army fighting fit all the time. You cannot say, let the army enemy come, we will start at that time exercise. We will check your gun at that time. We will clean our tanks at that time. No, you have to give everything battle ready today also. War can start anytime. Same way, you must plan your activity in such a way that as soon as the lockdown gets over, you are ready with your team in the market. You are ready to face them. Explain the role of I told you, and it's important. Prepare them for online life. Initially, my agents were reluctant. They were not knowing what is Zoom, what is YouTube Live. They were not that comfortable. I patiently trained them, explained them, go there, choose this button, download this, and slowly, they are now expert in Zoom. Okay, learn and practice. Online meeting, I talk about, I told you, HNI customers conduct trainings of various aspect of our job, impart knowledge of online platform like use of software for desktop, mobile. See, this Datacom people have got a your mobile tab magic. It's nowadays from last 2 3 years. I use that only when I don't open desktop. I use tab magic only. The use of social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Zoom, WebEx, Skype. These are the things you to take a meeting of your agents. Okay. Now, what topics you can take with your agent? You can right now talk about the impact on financial world due to current situation. This is one of the beautiful topics you must share with your agent. So much information is available, right from gold prices to car manufacturing to anything. You can talk on anything in the world and you can enjoy it. Then you can talk about RBI and repo rates, why the rates are going down, what is the implication of the interest rates going down, why the FD rates are going down and down. So this is what you have to understand and teach your agents. Taxation rules are changing. Now it is optional whether you want to take a ETC benefit or not. These are everything you have to tell your agent. Very mutual fund, postal saving, changing nature. These are the some topics I'm just trying to tell you. You can talk on the effects of inflation on savings. Its effects on working and retired population. You have to explain your agent why anybody should take a big amount of policy. Say Umang, a person takes a 10 lakhs Umang right now for 20 years PPT. For after 20 years, he is going to get 80,000 rupees per annum, 100%. But what is the most important is the corpus which is developed, which will take care of his retirement problems later on. Say a person aged 40 years, take a 20 years Umang, he start getting pension 8%. Say at age 80, he needs money for his medical treatment. Huge purpose by way of loan, by way of surrender is available for him. And that is exactly you to teach your agents why Umang is better, why Jivan Shanti is better. You have to take inflation as a topic of discussion with them. And the most important, you must teach your agent the difference between savings and investment. Now, sir, savings can pull your day-to-day life, but investment can take care of all your needs. Example, I'm giving you. Say I save money every day, every month. I have some money. As soon as some calamity comes, my savings wiped out. But what is investment? Suppose I have purchased 3 flats. Right now, 1 flat, other 3 flats are there. They are on rent. That is investment. The rent income will come whether I work or I don't work. That income will come, and that is investment. Say I have put money in Prime Minister Vayavas Yojana, or I have put money in Jivan Shanti. 1 crore I put in. Now, after putting there 1 crore investment in Jivan Shanti, I am getting 6%, 7%. So that money is working for money. I am not working for it. And that is known as investment. So you must teach your agent the difference between savings and investment. See, I have customers who have taken Jivan Dhara, Jivan Akshay when 10.5%, 8% interest rate was going on. So, sir, I'm telling you, this investment opportunities which LIC is offering right now, you must tell your agent difference between savings and investment. I hope I'm clear to you all, right? Now, these are some, this will make them successful. Let them become successful. Once they taste success, automatically they will run for more. Okay. Now make them solution provider. Don't make them salesmen. Generally, development officers teach 2 or 3, 4 plans to agent, and we expect that he must concentrate on that plans only, and he becomes a product pusher. He starts pushing product only, and then that he is trying to sell something which customer doesn't want. So there is a conflict. There is a conflict between the customer and the seller, and the sale doesn't happen. The salesman becomes unhappy. So instead of that, make them a solution provider. How to become solution provider? Let them market the concept, not the product. Product is a byproduct. Concept is more important. See, basically, I tell you. Suppose somebody is ill. Now he goes to a doctor. Doctor prescribed him some medicine. Now he did not know what is the medicine content chemically. Product. He is not bothered about what is there in the medicine. He is concerned with he should get better. And that is the concept that I feel better by taking this medicine. Whatever is there in that medicine, I am not concerned. Doctor told me take morning one, evening one, night one, 3 tablets in a day, 6 days. I am happy. I don't question doctor what is the content of the product. Exactly, we are trying to teach them how that capsule is made, what is the chemical in that capsule. He is not interested in that. He is interested to get well. So to get well, you have to create a good feeling concepts. What are the concepts? I'll come to it. Second, you can teach your agent. Try to find the need and create the need to a policyholder. Like you tell him, sir, you got a small child. You need money for her or his education, her or her marriage, your betterment of your life. This need you have to fulfill today or tomorrow. So how do you do it? Plan it today. I will plan out properly so that this need of your future can be taken care by LIC product. And that is exactly you have to teach your agent in coming times. Now, there was a request from some friend that there are so many videos also will be there today on meeting. So for them, these tips are there. Videos. See, I tell you, friends, initially you will find it very difficult. Many people give you so many feedbacks, some positive, some negative. Don't go by it. Believe me, if you really work sincerely for 6 hours in a day for LIC, there is a bright future for you. You need not worry absolutely about your future, 100% bright future. Now, first stage, what is the first stage? Your first focus should only be on recruitment, 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 and recruitment. Your focus should not be on anything else. More the agent to recruit, come what may, let him just survive. Let him not do anything, but he should be recruited by you. Then the second focus is just to earn confirmation. Don't be in a hurry to make money. A lot of lifetime is there for you. A lot of service period is there for you. 20 years, 30 years, 35 years service period is there for you. You don't worry about earning. You only worry for confirmation. After you are confirmed, you are settled in your job, then you plan for earning. And the most important tip for everyone, I'm telling you, for everyone, be with the team always. Never be a chairman. You got the meaning, the word of meaning of chairman? Chairman in the office. Never be a chairman. You become a team member always and try to be with your team. Never be a chairman. Okay. You can have a regular fortnightly, weekly meeting with your team and you be initiator. Don't call anybody. I have seen so many development officers telling, "Arey sir, I sent my agent there. He went to that training." What will happen? I have seen feedbacks on Facebook, social media that agents appreciate some private trainer. Sir, I am whatever I am today is because of him only. He has taught me everything. Hardly I have found any person talking good about his development officer. Reason is we have exposed him to some third party. And that third party had only one intention to make money. But while making money, he has to give good result, deliver something. And he started delivering something which we have not thought of it. And they appreciate the third party. They don't appreciate us. So that is what I'm trying you. You be the initiator. Whatever training is to be given, you only give. Try to expose your agent to your training maximum. Once in a while, I tell you, like once in a while we go to hotel to take dinner, but every day I eat at home only. So once in a while going to hotel is good enough. But daily eating outside hotel, then children will say, "Mama is not cooking good food. Hotel people are making good food." So they will start appreciating hotel people. They will not appreciate your wife. Same thing happen with us. So friends, training is yours. I told you goal setting. See, these are the steps you can take in training. I will immediately do all this. The steps should be first and most important, goal setting. This is particularly good for PDOs, even for senior merit development officer. 90% agents are not aware of the club membership rules, the benefits of the club membership. Even some of us are also not comfortable in teaching club membership. But if you start doing it, goal setting, make some goals for every agent. Teach them for prospecting. Teach them how to approach the policyholder. Teach your agents how to create a need. Teach them the NB and underwriting rules, little working knowledge. Teach them how to present our plans. They can take help of mobile applications available like Tab Magic. Objection handling, and this is the most important, objection handling, because most of the sales fail at this stage. Objection handling is a very difficult subject for agents. For development officer, we've got so many answers for any objection, but that you have to teach your agent objection handling. Then comes closing. Teach them art of closing, how to close. And after sales serve, in that you teach your agent policy servicing also, claim rule also, and you can so many topics you can take for your agent. This is just a brief idea I'm giving you, and just treat these 5 things. All my lecture I say we've got 5 plans: conventional plan, term plan, annuity plan, health plan, ULIP plan. With these 5 plans, they become a feast, and this feast can take care of any calamities can come. Just you can hit any calamity, any problem of your life. These 5 plans we can teach our agent, and they become a feast whereby you can successfully tackle your agent's conventional plan, term plan, annuity plan, health plan, ULIP plan. Okay. So friends, now coming to last stage, concepts. You are all development officer. I will not go into detail of everything, but what concept you can teach your agents is a retirement concept. Why do you need an insurance for retirement? Then second concept, human life concept. What is that concept to sell insurance? You are earning so much money, so much lifespan is there. You make, these are the human life concept you know very well. Then for child protection, everybody in India likes children. Everybody likes to plan for children. So you should go for child protection. Then there is a risk cover concept. Then there is a capital need analysis concept. Then there is a 4C formula concept. Then there is a health cover concept. Then there is the estate creation and investment option. This you can take care of Umang and Jeevan Shanti. These are the 2 good options. You can have it. MWP Act, HUF Act, and business insurance. Now what this happen? Keyman. Nowadays you can only sell term plan. But by selling term plan to Keyman Insurance, you will come to know so many good businessmen who has got money, and that will help you cross sell some other product to his family members. Second is partnership insurance for business, then Keyman in partnership firms, employer-employee schemes, NRE, NRO, FNIO insurance. So remember, the reason so many people stop short of ever thinking career pivot is because they are scared, terrified. They don't want to change. I am happy what I am doing. So friends, I tell you, change is terrifying. Anytime, any change is always terrifying. Fear of unknown is also terrifying. What will happen? Terrifying. But fear of failure, the worst. We always fear what will happen. So what is the secret of those who make it to the other side? Those who become successful? The important is quite simple. They took one small, deliberate, and brave step towards the goal every single day. Very simple. There's nothing great about it. Bring the changes gradually. Okay. They weigh the things out and decide to take a full-on run at it. Now it is your turn, my friends. So I'm really thankful for you all to listen to me. Those who want to join my Telegram group, it is always only for development officer. Sampark is the name. You can send your request to your Telegram app on @Harish Desai 5. It is one sentence only, one spelling only. or you can send SMS to my mobile number with your name, SR number, branch, and mobile number. It is only for National Federation members. So this is what this group can help you to grow in your life. Many of you are member, but still, I would enjoy getting more people over here. And tomorrow, if you can understand Hindi, you are most welcome. And friends, I'm really thankful to National Federation South Zone, Anand and Shiv Kumar, for specially inviting me, putting faith in my thing. And I'm thankful, Anand here. I am thankful to Vivek also, who motivated me to continue with these seminars. And I thank Datacom for providing a technical platform. So I now throw open this house for any question answer. So if somebody wants to ask me some questions, sir, you can ask me. So anybody can just any question if you want to ask me. I'm ready. The host can unmute the person who would like to ask any questions to me.
Yeah, sure, sir. So we will take you forward then, and it was an excellent session. So calm, composed, and he has given a lot of enlightenment towards pivoting, how to pivot, why to pivot, and what to pivot. And these are the master subjects we have discussed with. And participants, you are open for your questions. And as per our secretary, we will be having a short time to answer only 10 questions. So you can come forward and you can ask whoever want to ask any question. I recommend you to chat in the chat box your name, or else I can unmute yourself. You can chat in the chat box. This public who wanted to take a question. We will be selecting a few members, not all. We will be selecting a few members only. And if you want to ask any questions now and you are open to chat now, if you chat, I will be unmuting you. You can ask a question to our Google of Insurance, Mr. Harish Desai, sir. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm going to unmute Mr. Ganesh. And Mr. Ganesh Prabhu V, you are unmuted and you can ask your questions, sir.
Harish sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Thank you very much for your wonderful, very informative session.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I am from a rural branch, and whenever I canvass big cases, the chartered accountants are creating a lot of problem. They say if you pay 10 lakh premium, your income should be increased by 10 lakh so that you have to pay 30% tax. So how to tackle this problem, sir?
Okay, very good question you asked. I would just like to share with you some ideas of LIC. LIC never asks ITRs. LIC asks your financial capacity. If you can satisfy the underwriter about his financial capacity, you can get the policy without submitting any ITR. What is required to LIC is capacity to make money should be proved to the satisfaction of underwriter. Number one. See, if I say that my client can pay 5 lakh premium, then I have to prove from where that 5 lakhs have been generated. So I can say that he has got a shop, he has got 5 crore deposit, he has got a agriculture farm where he's generating 20 lakhs of worth of fruit, so and so, so and so. And this all documented thing I prepare and I put a letter. It is a letter MHR. And I request my branch manager or my manager sales or MM, according to the size of the sum assured, to come with me and verify the financial fact. And they give a letter format, MHR. And I've seen my 99% cases, they come back after acceptance over within 3 to 4 days. So you can try this method which I am doing.
Sir, one more, because we are from rural area, above 50 lakh cases, ITR is compulsory, no?
No, sir.
ITR,
No, sir. No, sir. I tell you, believe me, that Anand told that I have cleared 2 crore cases in month of November. His ITR was only 5 lakhs.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
But he's paying premium 1 crore yearly.
Okay. So
how? I'm telling you. Whatever business his father is doing it, I attached all the paper of the father's business, and I went to my MM. My MM also went to their office. They saw the whole setup, and my MM wrote a beautiful MHR. Based on that, my case was accepted by central office without adequate income. His income was only 5 lakhs average income. Premium he is paying 1 crore yearly. What is important? I am again telling you, there is a circular, no income proof. There is a circular of LIC. There is a circular of LIC. I'll tell you the number. If you want, I can give you the number of circular. It is 18 something like this. It is a beautiful circular issued on basis of PFQ and on basis of your MHR. That circular says very clearly, if you can give MHR and PFQ, the case can be covered. Propose circular number you can write down from me. Actual 1890.
1890. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Anyone else?
Yeah, the first question was answered. Now I'm unmuting Ganesh sir, and anyone is looking for any questions, like to ask some questions. So most of the people, they are asking about whether you will be sharing the PPT or not.
Yeah.
So
I will give it to you. I will give it to you.
Okay, right. Okay, friends. That's what already sir has mentioned, that you can join in his Telegram channel. So if you join also, you will be getting all the messages.
Yeah, this slide will be there on there. This slide will be posted on the Telegram tomorrow.
Yeah, and also we recommend to join the Telegram channel of Harish Desai sir, so that you will be getting all the things. Okay, anyone wanted to ask any question? Just show your hand, or else raise your hand, show your thumbs up, so that I can.
Muthuswamy Savarnan.
Muthuswamy, right? Yeah.
Sir, I will. Sir.
Now you are unmuted, sir. You can ask your question. Muthuswamy, sir, are you in line? You can ask your question. You are unmuted now.
Okay, let us go to Arul Murugan.
Arul Murugan, yeah. Yeah, Mr. Arul Murugan, sir, now you are unmuted.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
First of all, I give my thanks to my zone president and zonal secretary and other things. And especially your meeting is a very good. We are getting a very much knowledge about our corporation rules and regulations. And also my question is how to manage the more number of agents. For example, 100, 150 like that.
Yeah. See, what generally I have seen people who are getting more than 100 agents, they have a cluster meeting. So they make it say your area is spread in a 50-kilometer area. So 25 agent, 30 agent from that particular area, or 50 agent from southern side, 50 agent from the northern side. They hold that kind of a cluster meeting, and they have managers. You know, many development officer who has got more than 100 agents, they have team managers. You know, they hire 2 or 3 people in their own offices or in LIC offices. They assist and help this agent. So it all depends on how you look at it. It's not difficult to manage. Even there is one developer, a friend in Bihar. He's got 600 agents. He has got a team of 22 people working with him. That development officer friend has got 20 people working with him. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for answering that question, sir. And now next I am unmuting Mr. J. Rajesh.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, it was very nice, sir. It was a wonderful session, sir. The one thing I want to ask is, most of my agents are just staying in home, sir. How to make them come out of the home and do the normal business?
I tell you very clearly, Zoom meeting is one of the best thing to keep them engaged right now. And see what I tell you, don't bombard them with some big ideas. Small ideas which are on Sampark. Right now there is one development officer. He has put 8 series of Umang. 8 different way of selling Umang. Such a 8 series. You take one every day. let your agent understand. They will get energized. So many ideas are available in the WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups. Share with your agent. You need not go for any higher training. So many books are available. Marketing books are available. Take help of it. See, if I have to understand, agents are very simple people. Why they have joined us? For some extra income. So they are not interested unless their income becomes very important. Understand? So generate the interest whereby they get involved with you. Okay? Got it?
I think so. He got it, sir. You have muted him.
No, I have not muted him. No.
Yeah. No, actually, I have muted him because of the. I think hope he will be getting his answer. And Mr. Raj.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, it was nice, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And next, I'm unmuting Mr. Suresh. And you are unmuted. You can ask your question, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
It was a wonderful session. For the past 1.5 hours, we are unable to move from the seat. So
I was worried. I was worried because people are leaving. I was worried whether I'm boring you people.
No, it's a golden chance, sir. I'm actually the second time I'm seeing you came to Coimbatore division. So this is my second time I'm hearing your lecture.
Thank you.
I need to ask you two things, sir.
Sure.
One is, in my team, there are some allotment agents. Those agents, they are around 15 years, 20 years agents. They are in my team. But while speaking to those agents, they are still not changing their old style. I mean, whatever the style which they are following, they are not coming with the new style. Correct. Is there any idea from your side to?
Generally, I have got many allotted agents in my career so far. What I have done with my knowledge, with my passionate training, they have slowly molded their thing because see, they were working with somebody else. They were used to that technology. So it will take time for them to understand my way of working. So give them time, try to understand, be empathetic to them and train them. Let them have that confidence in you that you are better than what the earlier person was doing. They will come to your way, 100%.
Okay. And then the second thing is, you told the income proof is not necessary, that you told only 5 lakhs income. Is this applicable to the Jeevan Amar policy also?
No, sir. Jeevan Amar LIC should not give you, I am telling you. It's a term plan policy. Unless and until, even not for illiterate people, we are not giving it. The only reason is that term plan is a very, very risky proposition for any insurance company. So unless and until you satisfy the insurer about the worth of that person, Jeevan number cannot be given without income proof. Sorry. No ITR, no insurance, illiterate, no insurance. Sorry. And I support LIC very. Let him go for Jeevan Anand, they will give.
Okay.
Let somebody else join. 3 people more can join in. Then we can just say good night because you all must be hungry now. It is 8 o'clock. Hello. Yes, I cannot hear you. Hello.
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 Yeah.
Sir.
Hello.
Now
sir,
I'm unmuting.
Sir. Yeah, this is Suresh, sir. Sir, I have one question.
Ask.
Yes, sir. Regarding appointing agency in millennial group, like age between 25 to 35, I am appointing most of the this type of age group people.
Yeah.
But retention of this age group is a little bit difficult compared to the experienced more than 35 to 45. That age group is suitable. But in future is millennials only, they can get more premiums. So what, in your point of view, how to retention them in a LIC in an attractive manner? As
whenever a young person comes to this world, financial world, he has got a lot of ambitions and visions to make money. So
Yes,
if
sir.
he gets a good opportunity of making good money, see, he's a BIT. Right now he has got no job, so he's become a agent. Now,
Yes, sir.
in agency, suppose he doesn't succeed in a big way, and
Yes,
suppose he get a job offer in Infosys, a 3 lakh, 4 lakh package, he will run away. So what I generally do, millennials, the
Yes, sir.
pending claim, SBDU and maturity
Yes.
or servicing, I give it to them. They are free, they are analytic, they are young people. I tell them, you go to these people, their money is lying with LIC, help them get business. And I've seen the success 50-50. No, many times customers are so happy that somebody has come to his doorstep to give money, and then
Yes.
he also gets money and he succeeds. Try this method.
I'll try, sir. Thank you.
An outstanding servicing aspect. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, I'm unmuting Mr. Balraj. Mr.
Balrajan.
PA, you can ask your questions, sir. You're unmuted.
He is on my Sampark group. Balarajan.
Mr. Balrajan, MBA.
Yeah.
You can ask your question and you're unmuted. Okay, I think he's not in the line.
Not in the line.
I'll give an opportunity to Oppo, but his name is not displayed here. We can see only the Oppo. I can unmute him.
Yeah.
Dhanasekaran. Yeah, Dhanasekaran.
Dhanasekaran. Okay, right.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you can talk and you can ask your question.
Sir, good evening, sir. You have
Good
taken
evening.
very well. I have enjoyed. And this end of the month, I'm going to retire. Sir, I am working under a cost below 8%. Can we take directly to Elysian without taking SBA?
See, right now there is no provision. The rule is you should be SBA for 5 years. Then only they give LICA.
So somebody told that you can take without taking SBA, you can directly enter to the Elysian LICA.
No. So far, LIC has not come out with any scheme. Not to my
Even
knowledge.
our management never convinced me to take LIC. I am a top 10 development as a division, mother division. But LIC management never convinced me to take LIC. They are not interested to take LIC.
Now, sir, it is beyond my preview to say. But then right now, you cannot continue as a LICA after retirement. At the most, I can suggest you that you can take a premium point for retired
even
employees.
My friend, even one of my friends had taken SBA just 1 year before he has taken LICA.
He must be SBA, sir. 5 years old.
You told 5 years, but one of my friends in Chennai, Ganesh has taken just before retirement, he is entered as SBA. And he's taken,
so kindly bring it to the notice of your zonal president or division secretary, and if it is so, even they can give it to you, right? That is the only solution I can.
Since you are well experienced, that is why I asked.
But sir, this is a news to me because I am in touch with all the federation people, top people. So far, we have never heard. This is the first time I'm getting a news from you. Anywhere in India, I have conducted so many seminars. So far, I have never heard it. This is news to me. I'll share with them.
So why our NFA people just taking this, not interested to convince our people, those who are in Kai producer, they're not.
And how can we presume that we are not doing it? No, how can we presume we are not doing it? They must be taking up also. I am not aware. But then you wait. What is wrong?
Okay. It's apart from me. It's only code question. Regarding recruitment, in this very crucial period, what are the methods to adopt it? Because I have to advise some junior people who they are starving between life and death.
I tell you, this is the best step. This is the best step for recruitment because of job loss.
We are in deep rural. We are near Rameshwaram, very deep rural.
Okay.
Online is not working, and the network, again the digitalize everything, we cannot adapt. Only thing we can meet directly to the area, go to the area and meeting people. That is the only strategy we are adopting. Because in the rural there is no facilities for internet and everything. In social sensor, what we have to do? Some experience should be shared. That I can advise for that.
Basically, one tip I will give you, then we can stop it. I will give only one tip to you. The division is the open area. You try to understand. As per the circular of LIC, a development officer without a SBA can recruit agent anywhere in his division area. So don't restrict yourself to your own area. Suppose your division is Rameswaram or Madurai division. Example, Madurai division. So you can appoint any agent in any branch of Madurai under your division. You are not a non-SBA. So you can appoint any agent anywhere in Madurai division. So you do that now. Why you confine yourself to Rameswaram? If you are SBA, you can recruit agent anywhere in India. But if you are not SBA, you can recruit anywhere in division. That is open area. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. At the last, what we do is now I'll give an access to our secretary, Mr. Anand, sir. He will be talking few points about the training program.
Fine.
Thank you, Ariji. Hope you're hearing me.
Yeah.
Hello, you're hearing me? Yeah, thank you. Ariji, it was fantastic. And I should, first of all, I should thank all the participants for being there with a lot of patience and the inputs which you have given. Probably we could have gone to some IIM or something of that sort. It was so professional, a lot of inputs, lot of insights. Even for the PDOs, you have got a lot of information. Here, I just wanted to appreciate Damodaran for his wonderful, not only for his wonderful comparing, but he gave you a title, Google of Life Insurance. Probably this is the first time we are hearing Google of Life Insurance. So it is an apt title for you, Google of Life Insurance. So it was a wonderful session. Before my joint secretary gives you a vote of thanks, I just wanted to thank you for the efforts which you have taken. Even though we have saved a lot of money on your flight ticket, what you call room rent, and even if at all if we have done that, it is not possible for us to get all the people from Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Almost from Tamil Nadu and Kerala, 325 branches, most of them have come. This is a very rare opportunity, a very unique opportunity. I think our people are really fortunate to have a wonderful session from you. A lot of technical inputs, especially on various important points. That too at the second part of your presentation, it was so wonderful, very useful, Rishi. And really, I think this Google of Life Insurance title should be is really applicable too. And in Tamil Nadu cinema, they gave a lot of awards to our the top actor, Shivaji Ganesan, as a Chevalier or Nadigar. Like that, this Google, what Mana, this our Damodaran has said is really apt to you. It, in fact, has gone beyond this encyclopedia, and he has told Google of Life Insurance. It was wonderful listening to you. We are really happy. And I really take this opportunity to thank a lot of senior leaders who were eagerly waiting to listen to you. And maybe few people had some work, they have left early, but all said and done, this was a wonderful session. I think this initiative of South Zone will continue, and we will be in touch with you for a lot of other many things. Now I request Damodaran to ask my joint secretary to give a vote of thanks. And last but not the least, from my side, I just wanted to thank both Bharat and Damodaran for giving us not the technical support. Beyond that, it is a technological support. In the sense, the way in which they connected, we cannot manage like how Damodaran has managed today. Muting, unmuting is very new to us. As you have told, we should get accustomed to all this, and hopefully we will do it in the near future. Now I request Damodaran to give my joint secretary, Mr. Sridhar, the opportunity of doing more. Thanks. Thank you, Arishji.
Now this wonderful training has come to its conclusion, and this training program, we have to thank a lot of people. For thanking all of the people, I request our Honorable Joint Secretary of South Zone, Mr. P. Sridhar. I'm unmuting him. I'm giving the access now, and he will be giving the vote of thanks now. And so now you are unmuted and you can go now.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Good evening, hello.
Yes, sir. You're here. You can talk, sir. We can hear your voice.
Yes, sir. First of all, I convey my sincere thanks to our zonal Secretary Comrade Dominic sir, that this is a wonderful opportunity to all our zonal comrades. This is a heart-touching, mind-blowing, and eye-opening session. My sincere thanks to all comrades, especially comrades because there's one proverb in Tamil, he slowly, very understandable manner, he delivered his views, suggestions. My sincere thanks sir. ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் மட்டும் இந்த நேரத்தில் சொல்லணும்னு விருப்பப்படுறேன். He started the Abraham Lincoln quote, the best way to protect the future is to create it, the Abraham Lincoln. And then you deliver all the things. அவருக்கு கஷ்டமான விஷயமே இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். He delivers different methodologies in new sales strategy. Constantly motivate yourself to perform better. Constantly motivate yourself to perform better. Your team will automatically better. Analyze your activity and your team activity. Your team will be active. We touched all the repo rate, mutual funds, postal, inflation, especially for CDOs, recruit, and your confirmation, stand for joining. Be with your team always. Not be a chairperson. It's a great explanation. Chairman. A wonderful explanation for a CDOs, not only CDOs, to all. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
It's great and happy we have came to the conclusion of the training. And this is not a one-time activity. It's going to be continuously happening for the next couple of weeks or maybe a long time as well. And stay with us and you will be enjoying a lot of different trainers and their knowledge, and you will be getting on every week or so. So stay with us and thank you so much for the day. And we will meet you with the other trainer on the next episode. We will join with us, stay with us, and we will be meet you again. Thank you.
Thank you for a nice comparison. Very good. Thank you, Damodaran.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I'm happy to be associated. Thank you.
Thank you. So let us leave now.
Yeah, sir. It's time to leave, and I request all the participants who want to give the feedback. You can give the feedback in the chat room, and we can see your feedbacks also. And now we have officially completed it, and we will join in the other training. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Harish Desai.
Video will be available. Video will be available to me.
Yeah, it will be available, sir. Sending you a link.
Thank you. Okay, bye. Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night.